Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 9, and in this video I am going to show you how to add loyalty card to Google Wallet on this device. Alright, so if you don't have Google Wallet yet, we have to install it from Play Store. So you have to enter Play Store and here you have to search for wallet. As you can see, it's already installed on my device, so I'm going to open it. Here I have to click on add to wallet. We have to choose loyalty card obviously, and we can choose whatever from popular nearby from here, or we can just search loyalty programs. I'm going to choose this one, and we can scan QR code with our camera or just enter ID manually like this. And then we have to just click add to wallet, and that's really it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.